Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make custard juice. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of custard powder. Make sure you have a saucepan, a whisk, and your favorite serving glasses. Accurate measurements are key for a perfect consistency, so have your measuring cups and spoons ready. This easy method will have you enjoying a delicious treat in no time. Now, let's prepare the custard base. In a small bowl, take 2 tablespoons of custard powder and mix it with about 1/4 cup of cold milk until smooth. This slurry prevents lumps later. Next, pour the remaining 1 3/4 cups of milk into a saucepan with 3 tablespoons of sugar. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it's warm but not boiling. Once your milk and sugar are warm, it's time to add the custard slurry. Slowly pour the slurry into the saucepan while continuously whisking the milk. Keep whisking over medium heat until the custard thickens to your desired consistency, usually about 5 to 7 minutes. It should coat the back of a spoon. Remove from heat and let it cool completely at room temperature before refrigerating for at least 2 hours. After chilling, your delicious custard juice is ready to serve. Give it a quick stir, then pour it into your favorite glasses. You can garnish it with fresh fruit like berries or sliced bananas, or add a sprinkle of chopped nuts for extra texture. It's a refreshing and easy treat perfect for any time. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade custard juice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.